Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the channel once again. Here in the state of Florida. We're here in Miami. Well, this is like Hollywood area. Yes guys, a lot of things that I need to catch up on, but this video is for those people that are questioning what I do for a living and how I'm able to have all these cars. We're currently in the 2020 Maserati. This is a brand new car. We bought it from the showroom. It was like I believe it was like 95,000. Pretty expensive car. Obviously I don't own this car. This car is financed with $1,000 payment, which is pretty high, I will say. So how do I have all these cars? Well, the reason why we have right now the cars are we have 11 cars right now, and it's everything we do is pretty much we buy cars to put them on this app called Turo. So what's Turo? Turo is it's pretty much a company that provides you with a rental, like if you were catching a Uber through your phone. You don't have to wait long lines or see a bunch of people. You just go with the person that owns the vehicle. You get in touch with that person and you coordinate if you want to get it picked up or dropped off, and you rent your car. The good thing about Turo is that they have their own insurance, so that is very good for people that are people that are reckless and are gonna crash your car, because I wouldn't want anybody to crash this car. But unfortunately I've had a couple different situations where people have crashed into my cars. But this video is to tell you guys more or less how we have these cars. We currently have 11 cars, which consists of 5 Alfa Romeos. We have this Maserati that is the Grand Lusso edition. We also, well, you can see one of the Alfas in the back is the sport one with the Russo red. We also have a Infiniti Q60 2019. We also have 3 Mercedes Benz. We have a C300 2020. We have a E400, that's a 2018.